Just give me 2 minutes. Okay, okay, no problems. Samir, just check whether it has come live.
Okay, madam.
Fine, we are okay. We are rolling. So please maintain. Yeah, it is perfect. So now we are rolling onto YouTube. So everybody see to it that you're not talking. Madam Anuja, you just give me the cue when we are supposed to start. Okay.
Um, I think 10:25 or 10:27 you play the national anthem. So
Oh,
10:30 you announce me. Why delay it?
okay.
No? Immediately.
Okay. 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 Okay, ma'am.
Currently, Sister Neha is also not online. Huh?
Yes, yes, she's not online.
She's just come.
Okay, just make her the co-host. Yeah, she must be the person who will know who are their people. So
But I'm not able to make her co-host.
okay, where is
Selvi.
she? Yeah, 1 minute. I'll just check.
Yeah.
Uh, where is Sister Neha? What is her name?
Uh, BK.
Huh?
BK Neha NIHA.
I'm not able to see her.
It's BK.
Okay, okay, found her, found her. Yes, I have made Sister Neha the co-host. Sister Neha, you are the co-host now.
ओके
Okay?
एक्चुअली ये पार्टिसिपेंट में है यहाँ पर आप म्यूट ऑल करेंगे
हाँ
फिर ये
सारे
है
सारे
इनको
मैडम
आप यहाँ पर टिक मार्क मत कीजिए तो जो भी आप
नहीं नहीं, हम लोग वही करते हैं मैडम, फोर्स म्यूट करते हैं सबको, और खाली स्पीकर ऑन रहता है, फोर्स म्यूट ही चलता है।
नहीं नहीं ये आपके लिए कंफर्टेबल है कि कोई भी एंटर होगा तो वो म्यूट ही रहेगा तो आपको
हाँ हाँ हाँ,
किसी पर्सन को म्यूट करने की जरूरत नहीं है
यस यस, वही करते हैं, वैसे ही हम लोग चलाते हैं, सो दैट डिस्टरबेंस बिल्कुल ना हो।
ओके
ओके, एंड आपको बीप सुनाई देगा बिकॉज आप को होस्ट हो, पार्टिसिपेंट्स को बीप नहीं सुनाई देगा। ओके, या सिस्टर नेहा, Sister Neha, you can control your mute and unmute. So I'm not, yeah, whenever you want, you can unmute yourselves. Okay. Mithila, you can control yours.
Yes, I
Anuja,
can.
madam, I've already unmuted her.
Yes.
And who's the other person who's going to talk?
Smita from Rotary.
Okay, okay. Smita ma'am, unmute. Okay, that's it. So all of y'all are there. And I'll be spotlighting everybody the moment you start speaking. And Madam, Sister Neha, Sister Shivani is going to join separately, or she'll be sitting where you are sitting right now?
So please don't unmute yourself when you, otherwise you will again go on force mute.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, that I think she's the co-host, so no problems. So Sister Neha, Sister Shivani is going to join separately?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay.
Again, she's muted herself.
Who,
ma'am?
ma'am?
Sister Neha.
She can control herself, ma'am,
Okay.
because she's a co-host.
Okay.
So we'll even have to unmute Miss Sonali Shah, who's going to give the vote of thanks.
That is in the end, no?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so
Yes,
currently,
towards
yeah,
the end.
towards the end. So when the question answer session begins, no, that time you unmute her. Okay.
Currently, Miss Sonali has not joined.
Yeah, she is
Yeah,
still
even
not
I
there.
can't see you.
Yeah, because then we don't know if there's some other Sonali.
No, she's
No,
not
there's no
joined.
Sonali. There's no Sonali yet. She's there. She's there. She's there. She's there. She's there. So when she's exactly Sonali Shah guest.
Okay.
Okay, so you just have to unmute her. That's no problem. Towards the end, I'll be now. It's okay. I am still in control. Not a problem. So Sameer, YouTube में बराबर आ रहा है ना?
I will just rename her so it's easy for us to.
Yeah.
She's the only speaker because it's a very common name. So just doubly check.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Uh-huh.
I'll just ask her to unmute so that she can test her thing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Miss Sonali Shah, can you please unmute yourself?
Yeah, hi guys, this is Sonali. Just 1 minute.
You are from Rotary, right?
Yeah, I'm from.
Yeah.
Okay. No, because it's a common name, no? That's the reason we are just double checking.
Yeah, just hold on. Yeah, hi guys, this is Sonali.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. I'm sharp 27. I'm starting. Okay.
Yes.
Just a minute to go. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Before we start this session, as is customary, I would like to explain certain mandatory rules that are to be followed during the course of this session. All participants are requested to put themselves on speaker view mode, which is on the right hand top corner of the Zoom screen for better clarity and experience of the session. All participants will be force muted for minimal disturbances during the course of the session. All are requested to stop video streaming unless and until you are one of the speaker at the session. Kindly post your queries in the chat section so that the same can be addressed during the course of this session. So, let's begin with this exhilarating and energizing session on how to balance your life with none other than Brahma Kumari, Sister Shivani. On behalf of the IMC Ladies Wing, I would like to extend a very warm welcome to all our participants, dignitaries, and our esteemed and renowned speaker, Brahma Kumari, Sister Shivani ji, for sparing her valuable time for this interaction with the members of IMC Ladies Wing. Before we start the session, may I request all to raise your right hand in salutation for the national anthem. So, kindly play the national anthem.
भारत भाग्य विधाता
पंजाब सिंह गुजरात मराठा
द्राविड उत्कल बंगा
विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा
उच्छल जलधि तरंग तव शुभ नाम जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा
जन गण मंगल नायक जय हे
भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 जय
Thank you all. May I now request Mrs. Anuja Mittal, President IMC Ladies Wing, to begin the session by presenting the welcome address. Over to you, Mrs. Mittal.
Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are safe and healthy. A warm welcome to all members of the IMC, the Rotary Club of Mumbai Bayview, and guests for this august gathering. A warm welcome to Brahma Kumari Sister Shivani ji. It's an honor to have you as our esteemed guest speaker. Life is very much a balancing act, and we are always just a step away from a fall. We are constantly trying to move forward with our purpose to achieve our goals, all the while trying to keep in balance the various elements of our lives. Our guest today, Sister Shivani, is one who has studied not only computer engineering at MIT, but also is the Murli as part of the Brahmakumaris. We look forward to her timeless wisdom and knowledge that will inspire us to achieve a balanced life while coping up with the challenges that occur in our lives. In her own distinctive elegance, she will guide us on the right path towards a more meaningful and righteous way of life. Brahmakumaris, the largest spiritual organization in the world, led by women in front from the very beginning, sets them apart on the world stage. With extensive work done in the renewable energy and sustainability fields, they have led the organization in partnership with men with a consensus model of leadership based on respect, equality, and humility. This truly motivates us further, as the IMC Ladies Wing has also always strived for social change and gender equality. Solidarity and collaborative efforts are more important now than ever before, and we are humbled to host this inspiring session in association with Rotary Club of Mumbai Bayview. Thank you to the President, Mrs. Smita Parekh. Our sincere thanks to Mrs. Irma Chinay, past President and Executive Committee members of IMC Ladies Wing for conceptualizing this event. I would like to thank the Health and Holistic Committee for organizing such an inspiring and insightful event. हमारा सौभाग्य है कि आज हम सिस्टर शिवानी जी को सुनने का अवसर हमें मिला है. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mrs. Mittal. I now request Mrs. Smita Parekh, President Rotary Club of Bombay Bayview, to proceed with the introductory notes of the session. Over to you, Mrs. Parekh.
A very good morning to everybody. It is my privilege to, I'm sorry. A very good morning to everybody. It is my privilege to introduce Sister Shivani ji. Sister Shivani ji is somebody who is very close to my heart, and actually she is somebody who does not require any introduction. One second, I think I'm having some issues with my internet. Please hold on.
Okay. Can't hear you, Smita.
Yeah, just unmuting her. Yeah. 1 minute. I'll just unmute you. Where is she? Not able to. 1 minute. Can somebody unmute her?
Yes.
Yeah.
Please unmute yourself.
Please unmute yourselves now.
Yes, sorry about that, guys.
That's okay.
Yes. So she's none other than Sister Brahma Kumari ji Shivani Ben. She was born in the year 1972 and brought up in Pune. She's a gold medalist in academics, and she holds an electronic degree in engineering from Pune University 1994. Inspired by her mother, Brahma Kumari Shivani ji has been a practitioner and become a teacher in Raj Yoga meditation, and has been a heart of teachings in Brahma Kumari spiritual organization since 1996. There have been multiple honors conferred upon her, and to name a few, for her excellence in empowering spiritual consciousness, she has been honored with the Women of the Decade Achievers Award by Associations Ladies League in 2014. In the year 2017, she has been appointed as a Goodwill Ambassador for the World Psychiatric Association. She has been an honoree of the Nari Shakti Puraskar conferred by the Government of India in March 2019. Her wildly popular television show Awakening with Brahma Kumaris, first telecasted in 2007, enjoys a rare distinction of having completed 1,000 episodes. Her next book, titled Being Loved in 2019, also proves to be a bestseller. She has traveled across many countries and visited many corporate houses and associations, touching and transforming lives of millions. To the date, she has delivered over 2,500 talks overseas and in India, sharing her wisdom through the diverse platforms like public programs, interactive workshops, retreats, seminars, corporate trainings, blogs, radios, and television shows. She also promotes organ donation and does parenting programs at Delhi Islamic Cultural Center. Her endeavors of spreading practical spirituality has increased manyfold during the lockdown period, and she has continued to hold a number of talks, webinars through TV, media, Zoom, YouTube, and Facebook. Her masterpiece of 5-hour live program, Salkam Ki Shrishti, has helped millions of people to learn how to face the pandemic situation and stay balanced and calm. And today we have the privilege of satsang with her, and she is none other than Sis Brahma Kumari Shivani Ben.
Thank you, Mrs. Parekh. I now request Brahma Kumari ji, Sister Shivani Ben, to take over and educate us on how to balance your life. Over to you, Sister. Sister, please unmute yourselves. Yeah.
Om Shanti. I would like to introduce Sister Neha, who's responsible for all of us to being together today. And she's based in Gamdevi, the center, and she takes care of all the centers which are there largely in that part of the city. A soul who is very humble, very pure, very simple, but with her loving nature, she connects each one to God and then brings about a change in their life. That life never remains the same again. And we'll request Sister Neha to share her inspirations with us before we start our session for the day.
ओम शांति। आज हमें बहुत खुशी है कि हमारी आईएमसी, लेडीज विंग और रोटरी क्लब बॉम्बे बे व्यू और ब्रह्मा कुमारीज मिलकर के एक बहुत सुंदर कार्यक्रम करने जा रहे हैं जो हमारे जीवन का लक्ष्य है। ब्रह्मा कुमारी विश्वविद्यालय 1936 से एक बहुत ऊंचा लक्ष्य लेकर पूरे विश्व में 140 जितने कंट्रीज में अपने 9000 सेंटर्स को लेकर कार्य कर रही है, जिसका लक्ष्य है कि सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन के द्वारा सेल्फ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन लाए, जिससे सोसाइटी और वर्ल्ड को हम ट्रांसफॉर्म कर सके और इसी से हम सच्ची मन की शांति का अनुभव कर सकते हैं। तो वर्ल्ड में पीस लाने के लिए हमें अपने जीवन में पीस लानी है। तो आज विश्वविद्यालय के इसी श्रेष्ठ सिद्धांत, स्पिरिचुअल टेक्निक्स और मेडिटेशन को लेकर हमारे बीच में हमारी आदरणीय शिवानी बहन जी हैं, जो हमें प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में कैसे स्पिरिचुअलिटी डे टू डे लाइफ में पॉजिटिविटी लाए और मेडिटेशन के द्वारा इनर पावर को हम जागृत करें, इस व्यू को लेकर हमारे बीच में आ रहे हैं। और इसी टीचिंग को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए हर सिटी में अपने लोकल सेंटर्स होते हैं, जहाँ पर हम प्रैक्टिस करके अपनी लाइफ को सदा के लिए एम्पावर कर सकते हैं। तो आप सभी का फिर से बहुत दिल से वेलकम करते हुए अब मैं निवेदन करती हूँ हमारी सिस्टर शिवानी जी से कि आज के इस टॉपिक पर अपने एक्सपीरियंस और अपने व्यूज को हमारे सामने रखेंगे। शिवानी बहन जी, थैंक यू।
Thank you, Didi. Om Shanti. When we take the topic as how to balance life, so first we need to just introspect कि कौन सी बैलेंस की बात हो रही है, क्या बैलेंस करना चाहते हैं हम, and more important, life कहाँ है, where is life? When we say how to balance life, so some people will say how to balance work and home, how to balance my professional role, my family life and my personal life. ऐसे अलग अलग चीजें हम सोचते हैं, लेकिन ये सारी बातें, it's all about our life outside, because we believe that life is what is happening outside. And that's why when we ask each other, how is life? You know, जब हम एक दूसरे को मिलते हैं तो हम पूछते हैं ना, how is life? तो आंसर क्या मिलता है? It depends on what's happening outside. So if everything is going perfect outside in my situations, I say life is great. If things are not going my way, I say life is nothing very interesting right now. Sometimes we say life is very boring. So we have a lot of words for how is life. But at those times, we're always thinking about life as situations which are happening, people whom we are in our energy space. So that's what we believe is life. Life is not what is happening to us. Life is the energy. It's here. It's the energy who responds to everything that is happening to us. It's the energy which thinks, which feels, which then speaks, which then comes out in behavior in response to everything that is happening around us. It is this life, spiritually called as consciousness, soul, light, power, Atma, spirit. The word does not matter. Important is the understanding that this is my body, this is my name, this is my nationality, this is my religion, these are my roles and responsibilities, and I, the energy, is playing every role. I am a soul playing many, many roles and different relationships and responsibilities. ये हमें पता है, ये कोई नई बात तो है नहीं, हमें पता है कि I am this energy and ये सब मेरे रिश्ते और मेरे रोल्स हैं. लेकिन सारा दिन में ये कितनी बार याद रहता है, ये कितनी बार याद रहता है? अगर कोई हमसे हमारी इंट्रोडक्शन पूछे तो the introduction is all about our roles, everything that we have acquired in this lifetime. The introduction is not here. Who am I? एक सेकंड में आत्मा शरीर छोड़ती है and we say the person is no more. It's not that the person is no more. It's the body of that soul is no more. The body is no more. The soul is still there. जब हम किसी के फ्यूनरल पर जाते हैं तो हम कहते हैं सब कुछ पीछे छोड़ गए, क्या लेकर गए अपने साथ? तो कहावत भी है that खाली हाथ आए थे, खाली हाथ जाएंगे, which means we came empty-handed and we will leave empty-handed. But that's not true. खाली हाथ आए थे और खाली हाथ जाएंगे मतलब जो कुछ दिखता है, everything that we can see, which we call the materialistic world. Materialistic world means the material, all the material that is outside. This is the materialistic world. So everything that we can see starting from this body, तो वो हम अपने साथ लेकर नहीं आए थे, वो हमें यहाँ आने के बाद मिलती है. The soul has to first enter the womb of the mother and then the body is getting created. So the soul doesn't get the body. तो हम शरीर भी अपने साथ नहीं ला सकते. फिर ये बॉडी को लेकर जब हम पैदा होते हैं, so once the baby is born, हमें नाम मिलता है, हमें नाम मिलता है, फिर हमें पेरेंट्स मिलते हैं, फिर हम पढ़ाई करते हैं, फिर हमें फ्रेंड्स मिलते हैं. तो ये सब जब हमें मिलता है, this is a layer after layer after layer of what we acquire in this lifetime. So just rewind and see what all you have acquired in this lifetime. The first thing, body. then name, then gradually हमारा connect बनता है parents, then siblings, फिर धीरे धीरे हम नर्सरी स्कूल में गए, फिर फ्रेंड्स, फिर टीचर्स, फिर एजुकेशन, धीरे धीरे डिग्रीज, फिर रोल्स, फिर पोजीशंस, फिर प्रॉपर्टी एंड और बहुत सारे रिश्ते. Everything we have acquired in this lifetime, this is all material. Material means everything जो मुझे मिला यहाँ आने के बाद. So I, the soul, did not bring any of this with me. And that 1 second which I, the soul, will leave this body, I will not take any of this with me. And इसलिए कहेंगे क्या लेकर आए थे, क्या लेकर जाएंगे. कुछ लेकर भी नहीं आए थे और कुछ लेकर भी नहीं जाएंगे. And लेकिन फिर भी पूरा जीवन वो जो यहाँ मिला है उससे हमारी इतनी अटैचमेंट हो जाती है, इतनी अटैचमेंट होती है कि हम हमेशा डर में रहते हैं कि ये कहीं चीज खो ना जाए, हमारी पोजीशन न खो जाए, हमारी पावर न खो जाए, हमारा रोल न खत्म हो जाए, हमारे रिश्ते न खो जाए, हमारे लोग हमें न छोड़ के चले जाएं. We are so attached because we are holding on to it, thinking that this is all going to be with me forever. None of this is going to be with us forever. It's all temporary. All temporary. हाँ, उनका ध्यान रखना, take care of it, play every role to perfection, take care of every relationship, every responsibility. But there's a difference between taking care and getting attached. There is a difference between being a trustee of everything that we have and taking care of our responsibility and holding on to it as if it's my own and I will never want to lose it. क्योंकि एक सेकंड में ये सब छूट जाएगा. एक सेकंड, कई बार एक मिनट भी नहीं मिलता है, एक सेकंड में ये सब छूट जाएगा. एंड तब लोग ये अपने साथ क्या लेकर गए, कुछ भी नहीं लेकर गए. बट दैट्स आल्सो नॉट द ट्रुथ. ना हम खाली हाथ आते हैं एंड ना हम खाली हाथ जाते हैं. हम भरे हुए आते हैं एंड भरे हुए ही जाएंगे. ओनली वो चीजों से हम भरे हुए हैं जो दिखाई नहीं देती है, जो दिखाई नहीं देती है. द सोल, every thought we create, every word we speak, every behavior we do, it's getting recorded here. It's getting recorded here. This is called sanskar and karma. Every thought, every word, every behavior is getting recorded here. And उस एक सेकंड में जब हम शरीर छोड़ेंगे, all this recording will go with us. This recording is eternal. Everything else is temporary. Everything else is temporary. And so I, the soul, when I will leave the body, I will carry this sanskar and karma with me. And then the soul will enter the womb of the mother. Few months later, baby is born. And the day the baby is born, the Panditji is given the date and time, and the Panditji will give the destiny of the child. अभी तो उस बच्चे ने कोई कर्म किया ही नहीं है, अभी तक तो उस बच्चे को नाम भी नहीं मिला है, और उस बच्चे की जन्म पत्री बन जाती है, उसकी डेस्टिनी बन जाती है. एंड पंडित जी कहते हैं ये होगा, फिर ये एज में ये होगा, फिर ये होगा, फिर सब कुछ पता है. कैसे पता है? अभी तो उस बच्चे ने कुछ किया भी नहीं है, लेकिन उसकी वो डेस्टिनी चार्ट उसी दिन मिल जाता है. सो व्हाट इज दिस डेस्टिनी चार्ट? This destiny chart is our opening balance sheet in the new body. This is our opening balance sheet. The day we are born, that is our 1st April of the new life. This is our opening balance sheet. And this opening balance sheet, how is it that somebody else is able to tell us our opening balance sheet? Because our opening balance sheet is identical to our closing balance sheet. Your 31st March balance sheet is the same, which is on 1st April. So I, the soul in this body, my last minute when I leave, my karma and sanskar all recorded here. It's the 31st March. It's my closing balance sheet. And then I, the soul, will enter the new costume. 1st April. It's my opening balance sheet. Destiny chart is already created. So which means, क्या temporary है और क्या permanent है, क्या eternal है. जो कुछ दिखता है वो temporary है. कितने समय के लिए है? ये lifetime. This lifetime of even let's say 100 years. So even if we say our lifetime is 100 years, तो वो सारी चीजें हमारे पास 100 years के लिए है. और ये सारा जो यहाँ record होता है, ये कितने time के लिए है? ये eternal है. ये कभी delete नहीं हो सकता है. Never. Never can it get deleted. Now, everything that is visible, we call it material. So we say they're a very materialistic life. It's not materialistic life. It's everything that we're doing outside, we're using outside. This is material. So this is the materialistic life. And we're all leading a materialistic life. We have to. We're here in the body. We're using everything. But whatever is going inside is a spiritual life. Spiritual matlab spirit. Ye spirit, soul, के संस्कार and कर्म. This is the spiritual life. अब कई बार हमें लगता है to be lead a spiritual life, you have to move away from the materialistic life. Or if somebody is not taking care of their karma and sanskar, so we say, oh, they're leading a very materialistic life. सबसे important balance. Balance means, balance मतलब ये नहीं कि हम आधा spiritual, आधा materialistic है. That is not balance. Balance means leading your materialistic life, which means playing all the roles, the responsibilities, the positions, doing everything. We are taking care of the spiritual life here, the karam and the sanskar. This outside life is a short-term business, which means it is my business of, let's say, 100 years. 100 years ke baad, one thing is certain, nothing of this business will remain. That's for sure, because even my body will not remain. But this, what is going on inside, which means every transaction, every credit and debit, every thought I create, every word I speak, every behavior, this is eternal. This will never get deleted from here. इसको आप delete नहीं कर सकते हैं. ये संस्कार बन गया, ये imprint हो गया. This is eternal. So this is a short-term business. What is visible and what is not visible is a long-term business. ये एक दिन छूट जाएगा, ये साथ में जाएगा, ये साथ में जाएगा. और जब ये साथ में जाएगा, ये अगले कॉस्ट्यूम में हमारी डेस्टिनी यहाँ से स्टार्ट होगी. That does not mean that we are not able to change our destiny in the next body. We can change, but that is the opening balance sheet. So we are not starting from a blank sheet. We are starting from an opening balance sheet. Of course, the next lifetime, what kind of transactions we do, which means what karma we are doing, what sanskars we are creating, we can shift from loss to profit, but we can also shift from profit to loss. So a baby can be born with a very beautiful destiny, but if they don't do things right in that year, which means in that lifetime, they can shift towards a loss. Someone can be born with a destiny of loss, which means बच्चा पैदा हुआ और पंडित जी ने कहा ओ जी इसका तो भाग्य बहुत भारी है, इसका ये साल भी ठीक नहीं है, इसका ये साल भी ठीक नहीं है, ये साल भी ठीक नहीं है. तो कोई बात नहीं, हमारा पिछला साल ठीक नहीं बीता था, लेकिन हम इस साल इतने अच्छे कर्म करेंगे कि हमारी डेस्टिनी वो जन्मपत्री लॉस से प्रॉफिट की तरफ चली जाएगी. इट्स द ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट. बट इम्पोर्टेंट इज ड्यूरिंग आवर लाइफ टाइम, every day, every moment of our life, are we taking care of this, what is getting recorded here? क्या हम इसका ध्यान रख रहे हैं, या हमारा फोकस एंड हमारा अटेंशन सिर्फ उन सब चीजों पर है जो बाहर दिखती है? Everything that we can see with the physical eye is so important, and everything which cannot be seen, we are not looking at. We are not looking at, and that's why, in spite of working so hard, achieving so much, there is still an inner vacuum. वो खुशी, वो संतुष्टता, वो सुख, वो शांति जो हमेशा होनी चाहिए, वो फीलिंग नहीं आती है. बाहर से भरपूर, we have abundance outside, but अंदर कहते कुछ खाली खाली है, क्योंकि अंदर का ध्यान नहीं रखा तो वो थोड़ा तो खाली होगा. बाहर बहुत मेहनत की तो बाहर भर गया. छोटी सी गलती क्या की थी, हमने सोचा बाहर मेहनत करेंगे तो बाहर भी भर जाएगा और अंदर भी भर जाएगा. So we thought, if I achieve, if I acquire, then I will be happy. Then I will be happy. If I get enough property, possessions, roles, responsibilities, position, then I will be happy, peaceful, respected. That's not true. And the sooner we get that equation right, then we will know where to put the attention. It does not mean not to take care of outside. It just means take care of the inside while doing everything that is outside. Only then we can lead a balanced life. नहीं तो जीवन ऐसे होती रहेगी. और इसीलिए आजकल लोग कहते हैं life is a roller coaster. पता नहीं किसने कोई लाइन बोली पर हम सब कॉपी कर देते हैं उसको कि लाइफ इज अ रोलर कोस्टर. तो लाइफ इज अ रोलर कोस्टर मीन्स कभी हम ऊपर है, कभी नीचे हैं, कभी ऊपर है, कभी नीचे हैं. लाइफ कैन नॉट बी अ रोलर कोस्टर. सिचुएशंस कैन बी अ रोलर कोस्टर. Situations can be a roller coaster. That today something is great happening in my career, tomorrow हो सकता है थोड़ा सा कम हो जाए, day after tomorrow हो सकता है थोड़ा और कम हो जाए, उसके बाद फिर और बढ़ जाए. It can be a roller coaster. उतार चढ़ाव, ups and downs, highs and lows are outside. They are outside. They are not here in life. They are just outside in situations, in business. But if I don't take care of my mind, of my sanskars and karma, so then if there is a high outside, then there is a high inside. If there is a low outside, then there is a low inside. So my inside world became dependent on my outside world, is what I believed, And then we said life is a roller coaster. Life is not a roller coaster. Situations can be a roller coaster. Life is absolutely stable. And when that stability is here eternal, you'll always feel yourself very balanced, very sorted, very contented, even if there is a crisis outside. The COVID bahar hai, crisis bahar hai, chaos bahar hai, but there can be calm inside, and then we'll always be balanced, even if nothing outside is going right. So we have to understand these two parts of our life. एक यहाँ जो दिखता नहीं है, एक यहाँ जो दिखता है. हमें भी दिखता है और दुनिया को भी दिखता है. इस समय, in the last, let's say approximately 30, 40, 50 years, as a society, we started focusing more on jo dikhta hai, what is visible. So even if we look at the definition of success, because if everybody wants to be successful, ask even a little child, aapko kya chahiye? I want to be successful. So everybody wants success. Lekin what is the definition of success? What is definition of success? So right from school, jo programming ban gayi, that was who comes first in class, who comes first in sports, who comes first in the extracurricular activities, means it became a performance-based success, which means performance-based if I am an achiever in whatever I do, whatever. It need not be marks, it could be in whatever I do. If I achieve in what I do, then I'm successful. So we became doers, that everything is about doing, achieving, and getting appreciation and acceptance for what we are doing. We are not human doings. We are human beings. दो बातों में बहुत फर्क है. We are not human doings. We are human beings. And being यहाँ है. ये human है. The body is humus, mitti, and being is that energy. We are human beings. लेकिन हम सारा दिन बोलते हैं, how are you doing? मतलब हमारा फोकस सारा डूइंग के ऊपर है. What are you doing in life? How are you being in life? ये कोई नहीं पूछता एक दूसरे को. हर एक को पूछते what are you doing in life nowadays? How are you doing? तो वो doing पे the being is forgotten. Life became unbalanced. कि जो हम हैं वो भूल गया, जो हम कर रहे हैं वो ही सबको सिर्फ याद होता है. So now balancing means I take care of the being while I am doing what I am doing. I take care of the being while doing what I am doing. Definition of success. Hindi word is very beautiful. Hindi word is safalta. Hindi word is safalta. Safalta comes from the word safal. Safal. तो सफल किसको बोलते हैं? सफल उसको नहीं बोलते जिसको बहुत कुछ मिला, उसको सफल नहीं बोलते हैं. सफल बोलते हैं आपका दिन आज सफल हुआ, आपने अपना समय सफल किया, which means you used your time, you used your life in a worthwhile way. आपने सफल किया, आपने इस चीज को अच्छी जगह लगाया. हम कहते हैं आपके पैसे को आपने सफल किया. सफल इज नॉट अबाउट आपने कितना कमाया, आपने अपने पैसे को कैसे सफल किया, which means how was it used. Similarly, safalta means how did you use the energy of this being. It's about what we are giving to the world. Success is about our sanskars and karmas. Success is not about what we achieved in life. What we achieve in life is only one part of life. It's only one part of life. Who we are is more important than what we achieve. Who we are is more important than what we achieve. But which school is going to give marks for being kind? Which school is going to give an award for being caring and sharing? उस पर फोकस ही नहीं करते. सिर्फ एक सब्जेक्ट रखने से थोड़ी वो हो जाएगा कि सब्जेक्ट में हमने पढ़ा दिया कि काइंडनेस, शेयरिंग, केयरिंग, हैप्पीनेस, पीस. It can't be a subject. It has to be endorsed and accepted by society. एक बच्चे को अगर आप स्कूल से स्टार्ट करेंगे कि you were kind, everybody applauds for you. You were honest, you are called in front of the class and everybody is shown this is success. He was honest. इसने डर नहीं लगा, इसने सच बोला. ये caring है, ये sharing है. This has to be applauded. Right from school and right up to which stage of life we are in, who we are, because this is the long-term business. We're not saying what we're doing is not important, but what we are doing alone cannot be the criteria of success, cannot be. I can be an achiever. I can be the number one in the city, in the country, in the world. But if I'm not carrying the right sanskar, if I'm not achieving the right way, if I'm not happy, healthy, and I don't have beautiful relationships, if people who work with me are not contented, फिर सफलता कैसे हो सकती है? फिर उसको सफलता कैसे बोलेंगे? उसको सिर्फ अचीवर बोल सकते हैं. अचीवर and सफलता is two different things. Performer and safalta is, so I could be very good in what I perform, but here. So these are the balances which are missing. This is what is missing. Only outward focus हो गए हम. And then हमारे भाग्य में क्या आया? Stress बढ़ गया, गुस्सा बढ़ गया, आज डिप्रेशन बढ़ गया, एंजाइटी अटैक बढ़ गया, डायबिटीज बढ़ गया, डिवोर्स बढ़ गया. ये कोई सक्सेस की डेफिनेशन है? Can we call our society successful with all these words increasing? And then we even called them normal. हमने कहा ये तो normal है, ये तो normal है, और normal कहकर हमने उसको ठीक करने का भी नहीं सोचा, because we thought it's normal to feel like this. Now, let's do a little experiment. Next Monday is 21st September, that it is International Peace Day. And this year, the United Nations has declared the theme as Shaping Peace Together. Shaping Peace Together. Everybody wants peace. Everybody wants a peaceful world. Everybody wants peace at home. So we want peace in the mind, we want peace at home, we want peace at work, we want peace in the world. But everybody wants. सबको शांति सिर्फ चाहिए. तो वो शांति क्रिएट कौन करेगा दुनिया में? वो शांति बनाएगा कौन? सबको चाहिए वाली साइड पर खड़े हैं. If everybody only wants, who's going to give it to them? Who's going to give it to them? So since we are all servers, हम सेवा करते हैं. So let's take this 1 week. So today Sunday to next Sunday. Let's take it up as an experiment together. That I am a peaceful being because it's my nature. This is our nature. But now we have forgotten this is our nature. And so we react, we get irritated, we get angry. And when we do that, peace is lost. It's like my body is healthy. That's the nature of the body, to be healthy. But we don't eat right, we don't sleep right, we don't drink water right way. तो वो body बीमार हो जाती है. लेकिन original nature of that body, healthy. Similarly, original nature of the soul, shanti, peace, happiness, khushi, sukh, love, pyar. This is original nature. Power, shakti, purity, pavitrata, gyan, wisdom. This is the original nature of the soul. Shanti chahiye, because I am not using my original nature of the soul. I'm using stress and anger. For 1 week, a 1 week, to shape and create peace together. For 1 week, we will do this experiment. In every situation, in every scene of this 1 week, starting today, 12 o'clock, to Monday, every scene, every situation, every person, whatever may come in the next 7 days, we will respond with the sanskar of peace. हम शांति से रिस्पॉन्ड करेंगे. जैसे कोई जोर से बोलता है तो हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं, जरा शांति से बोलो ना. सेम बात थोड़ा शांत होकर बोलो. तो विच मीन्स द अदर पर्सन हैज एन ऑप्शन कि उसको शांति से बोलना है या अशांति से बोलना है, शांति से सोचना है या अशांत होकर सोचना है. We have an option because we're carrying both the sanskars. We're carrying both the sanskars. So for the next 1 week, people might not be our way, situations might not be our way, the weather might not be our way, the traffic may not be our way. मुंबई में तो वैसे ही बहुत सारी और भी बातें हो रही हैं which is not our way. So there is lots happening. But my mind will be my way for 1 week. सिर्फ 1 हफ्ता करना है. And in this 1 week, if you respond with peace, which means you respond right to every situation in your thought, word and behavior. आपका बात करने का तरीका, आपके words, आपका behavior and आपका thought for every situation. If it is the right thought, and right means it makes you feel comfortable, it makes other people feel comfortable. If it's the right thought, then you are at peace. मन शांत है, यहाँ noise नहीं है, यहाँ clutter नहीं है. When there's too many thoughts, that time we are not at peace. We are not at peace because बहुत ज़्यादा मन सोचता है. मन सोचना ही बंद नहीं करता है. Quantity and quality of thought is connected. जब हम ज़्यादा सोचते हैं तो मोस्टली उसकी क्वालिटी ठीक नहीं होती है. इसलिए आप देखिएगा, आपका मन ठीक है, शांत है, कुछ सोच रहा है, कोई आता है आपके रूम में, कुछ बोलता है और चला जाता है. उसके बाद आपका मन ज्यादा सोचना शुरू कर देता है. ऐसे बोल दिया, सबके सामने बोल दिया, जिसको देखो कुछ भी बोल देता है. कहना भी नहीं मानते आजकल बच्चे. इतना कुछ इनके लिए किया, इसलिए किया था कि ये कुछ भी आके बोल के चले जाएंगे. वो लंबी कॉन्वर्सेशन चलती है अंदर. एंड देन वी से शांति चाहिए मुझे. शांति चाहिए क्यों? कहाँ चली गई शांति अपनी? वो बहुत ज्यादा गलत सोचने लग गए तो शांति खत्म हो गई. देन हम कहते हैं मुझे शांति चाहिए. लेकिन कौन देगा हमारे को? कौन देगा हमारे को? किससे मांगेंगे हम शांति? क्योंकि जिनसे हम मांगेंगे वो भी बोल रहे हैं कि शांति चाहिए. जिनसे आप प्यार मांगेंगे वो कहेंगे मुझे पहले चाहिए. जिनसे आप रिस्पेक्ट मांगेंगे वो कहेंगे पहले मुझे चाहिए. सो एवरीबडी इज लाइक दिस. मुझे प्यार चाहिए, मुझे ट्रस्ट चाहिए, मुझे रिस्पेक्ट चाहिए. एवरीबडी वांट्स सक्सेसफुल. सफल मीन्स shifting from seeking and wanting to being a giver in life. Being a giver in life. So successful souls have to create one thought daily कि मुझे किसी से कुछ नहीं चाहिए. I need nothing from anyone. I am a giver. I am a giver. जैसे जिसके पास धन बहुत है, पैसा बहुत है, वो पैसे मांगेंगे थोड़ी किसी से. वो तो पैसे देंगे, वो सेवा करेंगे. कोई प्रोजेक्ट आएगा उसमें वो अपना धन लगा देंगे. दे आर अ गिवर इन मनी. व्हाई आर दे एबल टू गिव? बिकॉज दे हैव लॉट्स ऑफ इट. किसी के पास टैलेंट है, स्किल है, वो किसी से मांगेगा नहीं, लेकिन जब जरूरत होगी वो अपना स्किल और टैलेंट देने के लिए रेडी है. दे आर अ गिवर. अब शांति कौन देने के लिए रेडी है? खुशी कौन देने के लिए रेडी है? प्यार कौन देने के लिए रेडी है? जिसके पास भरपूर है. जिसके पास भरपूर है. And if there's one thing that everybody wants, whether it's people you work with, whether it's people who work for you, whether it's people who live with you, whether it's family or friends, ask anybody, what do you want in life? And they'll say peace, love and happiness. People are very clear. They want 3 things: peace, love and happiness. So everybody wants it. Are we ready to give it? But to give it, we have to shift from wanting it. We can't be wanting and giving. दोनों चीजें नहीं हो सकती हैं. चाहिए भी और देना भी है. देना है, देना है और देना है और देना है. और देने के लिए क्या करना है, यहाँ पर भरना है। वी हैव टू बी फुल ऑफ इट। और फुल होने के लिए क्या करना है, उसको वेस्ट नहीं करना है, वेस्ट नहीं करना है। किसी ने कुछ कर दिया, उसको 1 मिनट खड़े होके गुस्सा कर दिया, तो अपनी शांति गवा दी, गवा दी। I lost my peace. Somebody said something which was not my way. Then I started saying a lot of negative lines to myself. ऐसे बोल दिया, ऐसे बोल दिया. They hurt me, they irritated me, they upset me. Everything I lose, but I blame it on them and I say they upset me, they irritated me, they hurt me. सारा नुकसान उनके ऊपर डाल देते हैं. उन्होंने मुझे गुस्सा दिला दिया. कोई आपसे आके पूछता है क्यों इतना गुस्सा करते हो, बोलते मैं थोड़ी कर रही हूँ, उन्होंने गुस्सा दिला दिया. मेरा मूड तो ठीक था, उन्होंने सुबह सुबह आकर ऐसा कर दिया जो मुझे गुस्सा दिला दिया. Which means खुद गवाते हैं. We are the ones who lose our peace, love and happiness, and even then we don't take responsibility of it. We blame it on people and we say उनकी वजह से ऐसा हो गया. Not taking responsibility. And जब हम responsibility नहीं लेते हैं तो हम और गवा देते हैं, और गवा देते हैं. फिर नेक्स्ट सीन आता है, फिर उसमें रिएक्ट करते हैं, फिर नेक्स्ट सीन आता है, फिर उसमें रिएक्ट करते हैं. करते करते ये जो बैटरी है यहाँ पर, ये ऐसे हो गई है, इतनी. इसीलिए छोटी छोटी बात भी बुरी लग रही है. विल पावर नहीं है. डॉक्टर ने बोला है ये नहीं खाना चाहिए, कहते हाँ डॉक्टर ने बोला है, लेकिन क्या करो, आई कांट लिव विदाउट दैट. Some of us can't live without our cup of tea and coffee. Powerful souls can achieve anything in the world, but say, I cannot live without my tea. I cannot live without my this. Never use this line for anything or anyone in your life. I cannot live without fill in the blank. And there should be nothing on that fill in the blank. Because I cannot live without is only going to make the soul weaker. It makes the soul addicted. It makes the soul dependent. It makes the soul feel that my life is dependent on somebody else. Have your cup of tea, but never use the line, I cannot live without my tea, because every line is getting programmed here. आज हम चाय के बिना नहीं रह पाएंगे, कल हम किसी और चीज के बिना नहीं रह पाएंगे, परसों हम किसी व्यक्ति के बिना नहीं रह पाएंगे. That's only going to deplete soul power. Powerful soul, which means battery is charged. ये बैटरी चार्ज होनी चाहिए. एंड उसके लिए क्या करना है, scene after scene after scene. Situation is coming from outside. People's behavior outside. My response is my creation and I respond with peace. And as I respond with peace, love and happiness, this battery gets charged. As I react with irritation, worry, anxiety, battery gets discharged. Battery gets discharged. When the battery gets charged, we become a giver in life. Battery gets discharged, तो हमें चाहिए 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 चाहिए. इसलिए आजकल कहते हैं never ending desires. इच्छा खत्म ही नहीं होती है, इच्छा खत्म ही नहीं होती है. Which means we're always standing like this. This is not the right way to live. This will never make us feel happy. ऐसे खड़े हैं. किसी को बोलते 2 मिनट तो प्यार से बात करो, आप प्यार से बात करोगे तो मुझे खुशी मिलेगी. तो मेरी खुशी उनके 2 मिनट प्यार से बात करने पे डिपेंडेंट हो जाती है. This kind of life will not make us feel happy always. हमें सदा खुश रहना है. So जब हम एक हफ्ता 1 week ये होमवर्क करेंगे, in 1 week we will have this battery starts getting charged. And most important, we will see in this 1 week that changing a sanskar is very simple. आदत बदलना तो बहुत इजी है. हम तो ऐसे ही अपनी बैटरी को डिस्चार्ज कर रहे थे, ऐसे ही अपनी खुशी को गवाते जा रहे थे, ऐसे ही दूसरों से मांगते रह रहे थे. Energize. This is emotional health. Spirituality means emotional health. Spirituality means the original nature of the soul is purity, peace, power, love, happiness, knowledge, bliss. Sato Guni Atma. 7 गुणों की आत्मा. It's like this cloth. It's white in color. ये उसका original color है white. Throughout the day, whatever we do, यहाँ पे कुछ दाग 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 लग सकता है. different stains. Each one of us is white, which means each soul is pure, high vibrational. लेकिन playing many roles in different lifetimes, तो अलग-अलग दाग लग गए, अलग-अलग संस्कार लग गए. And that's why when we look at each other, we look at the stains. Oh, ये ऐसे हैं, ये ऐसे हैं, ये ऐसे करते हैं, ये ऐसे करते हैं. Don't look at the stain on the person. Look at the soul, pure divine soul, happy soul, peaceful soul. अगर कोई गुस्सा भी करते हुए दिखाई दे रहा है ना, oh, he's a very angry person. No, he's not an angry person. She's not an angry person. Anger is just a stain on that white dress. वो सिर्फ एक छोटा सा दाग लगा है उसके ऊपर. वो उनका गुण नहीं है, वो उनका संस्कार नहीं है, वो एक ऊपर से लग गया है दाग. Original, very peaceful, loveful soul. When you look at them like that, when you create that thought for them, very loveful, peaceful, pure soul, divine soul, your vibrations start removing that stain. आपके vibrations लोगों के आत्मा के ऊपर जो दाग लगा है, मतलब जो संस्कार बने हुए हैं, उसको मिटाना शुरू कर देती है. लेकिन ऑपोजिट, अगर हम थॉट क्रिएट करते हैं बहुत गुस्से वाले, बहुत गुस्से वाले, बहुत गुस्से वाले, तो हमारे वाइब्रेशंस उनके दाग को और पक्का करते जाते हैं, और पक्का करते जाते हैं. जितना हम ये थॉट क्रिएट करते हैं, ये डिसऑनेस्ट है, ये डिसऑनेस्ट है, ये हमेशा लेट आता है, ये कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता, इसका काम ही ठीक नहीं होता, ये वाइब्रेशंस उनके उस स्टेन को और पक्का कर रहे हैं. बिकॉज आवर वाइब्रेशन इज ऑफ दैट स्टेन. Our vibration is not of their purity and that originality of their color. So very important what we think about people. What we think about people. So when we remember that I am this pure divine soul, then I will also remember so is each one. So are my children. So is my every family member. So is everyone who works with me. But then why are they so different? Because they're carrying many different sanskars of different lifetime. Many different sanskars. But our role is not in what we are doing for them only. Our role is of radiating that right vibration to them. आज आपने अपने बच्चों को अपने घर में सब कुछ दे दिया होगा. Everything. There mustn't be anything which they still need. Everybody has everything today. लेकिन अभी भी they are looking for happiness, peace and love. तो सब कुछ तो आ गया, अब कहाँ से खुशी आएगी? अब क्या करे और खुशी आने के लिए? इसलिए हर थोड़े दिन के बाद सोचते रहते क्या नया करे, अभी और क्या नया खरीदे, अभी और किधर जाए, अभी कौन से रेस्टोरेंट में जाए, कुछ तो करे to find that happiness, to find. We need a stimulant every time to feel good. खुशी नहीं मिली, क्यों? क्योंकि अभी तक हमने अपनी सोच को नहीं चेंज किया. Happiness nobody can get by buying things or achieving. Happiness will only come from thinking right. And इसीलिए taking care of who I am while doing and playing my different roles and responsibilities. हम फोटो खींचते हैं, कितना ध्यान रखते हैं फोटो खींचने के टाइम? just visualize कि आपका ये कॉन्फ्रेंस कहीं बाहर फिजिकल लोकेशन में हो रहा था, and after the session you all standing together, okay, we will have a group photo, you know, normally how we do after programs. So how much care we take for one group photo? How much care we take for one photo? The color should be right, the hair should be right, the dress should be perfect, my expression should be right, my position should be fine, and my smile should be perfect for one photo. एक फोटो जो एक सेकेंड कोई देखेगा उसके बाद खत्म, लेकिन उस एक फोटो का क्यों? क्योंकि हम कहते हैं फोटो खिंच रही है, it's getting captured, I have to be perfect. Similarly, every scene, what I think, what I speak, what I behave, photo खिंच रही है, it is getting captured on the soul, and this is a photo which cannot be deleted. It cannot be modified. You cannot go into any software and change it. थोड़ा सा और सुंदर नहीं बना सकते उसको कैप्चर करने के बाद. जो छप गया वो छप गया. It is captured. It is here. So how much care we should take of our every karam, of our every sanskar, of what we think about people, of how we speak about people, of how we behave with people, about how we think of every situation, how much care we should take. अगर हम थोड़ा सा भी, ज्यादा भी नहीं करना है, थोड़ा सा भी ध्यान रखना शुरू कर लेना, ये जो बैटरी है ये चार्ज हो जाएगी, ऐसे ये चार्ज हो जाएगी. लेकिन अगर हमने कंपैरिजन, कंपटीशन, जेलसी, आगे बढ़ना, पब्लिक ओपिनियन, लोग मेरे बारे में क्या बोलते हैं, इफ दिस ऑल बिकम्स द प्रायोरिटी इन आवर लाइफ, देन बाहर सब परफेक्ट हो जाएगा, लेकिन ये अंदर बैटरी अपने आप को थोड़ा सा खाली फील करेगी. सो इट्स अ ह्यूज शिफ्ट. It's actually a paradigm shift. And that's why people feel, oh, you shifted towards spirituality from materialistic life. No, we are not shifting towards spirituality from materialistic life. We're going to live in the materialistic life in a spiritual way. That's what it's going to be. It's not either spirituality or materialistic. This is not it. Okay, either I'm spiritual or I'm materialistic. I'm going to be in my materialistic life, lead my business, be the leader of my organization, be the head of my family, have a beautiful house, buy everything that I can afford. So I will lead a materialistic life in a spiritual way. In a spiritual way, which means you can be a head of an organization, but the soul can be a saint. A saint, very pure soul, very, very pure soul. ये एक बिलीफ सिस्टम है जो हमने क्रिएट किया. ओ वो तो संत हैं, वो तो महात्मा है, वो तो स्पिरिचुअल है, हम तो गृहस्थी है, हम तो शहर में रहते हैं. इट्स नॉट टू डिफरेंट लाइव्स. इट इज हियर. इट इज हियर. I could live in an ashram. I could wear a white dress. I could physically look as if I have renounced everything from the world, and yet if I'm creating anger and jealousy and greed inside, if my ego is troubling me, then I am not at all spiritual. I could wear this dress and everybody would think that I'm very spiritual. Spiritual is not about what I'm wearing. Spiritual is not about where I'm living. Spiritual is not about what I am doing. Spiritual is about who I am being here inside. Here, so I can wear a white dress and I can create all wrong sanskars. I can. It's possible because iska aur iska to koi connection nahi hai. And I can be a head of an organization. I can take care of my family, my children, do everything, but do everything in a most pure, elevated manner. So then you are a saint who is the head of the organization. You are a saint because you are living at a very divine vibration. That is the soul and this is the role. Role and soul are different things. The role is not going to be spiritual. It's the soul which is going to be spiritual. Role is going to be materialistic. Role to dunya ka role hoga. You are someone's wife, someone's child, someone's mother. That's your role. Soul is going to be pure and divine. So never say spiritual life, materialistic life. ये कोई दो lives नहीं है. एक life है. एक life है. Leading your materialistic life with the highest spiritual principles. This is balance. Leading your materialistic life with the highest spiritual principles, which means right thinking, high vibrational thinking, high vibrational thinking. It's here. It's here. Nothing to do with here. Here. Spirituality is here. So it's not about what I'm wearing, what I'm doing, what I have achieved. It's about how I'm doing it. How I'm doing it. Hamara sochne ka tarika. And that's what we're going to experiment in this 1 week. 1 week. We have to experiment it. कि इस 1 week में my every thought, every word, every behavior is going to be selfless, giving peace to the world. People might not be perfect around you in this 1 week. लेकिन इस समय दुनिया में सारे लोग एक चीज मांग रहे हैं. बहुत अशांत है मन, बहुत परेशान है, बहुत चिंता है. आप सब सेवा करते हैं. इन द लास्ट 4-5 months आप सब ने बहुत सेवा की है, बहुत सेवा की है देश की. लेकिन सेवा बहुत लेवल्स पर होती है. एक होती है धन से सेवा, which all of you have done. You have contributed financially to take care of the country. दूसरा होता है तन से सेवा. Physically we do what we have to do, send food, send materials, send medicines, taking care of people. एक होता है वाणी से सेवा, which means our experiences, we motivate, we inspire. Most powerful seva. मन से सेवा. Man se seva, which means radiating the right energy to the world. Our every thought we create is not just our thought. It's a vibration, it's a ripple effect into the city, into the country, into the world. अपने घर को देखिए. If somebody walks into your house today with an equipment which can measure the energy of the house, कि आपके घर के vibrations कैसे हैं? क्या हुआ? We were ज़्यादा focused since many years about हमारा घर सुंदर कितना है. So there it is. We are focusing on the materialistic part of it. कि हमारा घर सुंदर कितना है, हमारा घर बड़ा कितना है, हमारा घर मुंबई के कौन से एरिया में है, हमारे घर में कौन कौन सी चीजें पड़ी है, which is all very important. लेकिन हमारे घर की वाइब्रेशन क्या है, हमारे घर की एनर्जी क्या है, हमारे घर में एंटर करते ही just think, if you create a house where when somebody enters, उनको अंदर आते ही शांति मिलती है. वो कहते हैं आपके घर आके ना बड़ा सुकून मिलता है. That is the biggest सेवा. That is the biggest सेवा. आपके घर आके हम सबसे कंफर्टेबल सोफा पर बैठते हैं, वो तो अच्छी बात है, लेकिन वहां बैठकर मुझे शांति भी मिले साथ में. That is सेवा. Because that's what everybody wants. And we can do both things. We can have the most expensive furniture, but also create a peaceful vibration with that. So don't separate the two. Materialistic with spiritual principles. With spiritual principles. So focus on what is not visible, and that is the vibration. Focus on what's not visible, which means the vibration of your house, the vibration of your office, the energy of your family members. Vibe. हम कहते हैं ना, I did not get good vibes from that person. मतलब हमें पता है कि vibrations मिलती हैं लोगों से. ऐसे ही हमारी vibrations भी तो लोगों को मिलती हैं. हमारे से vibrations भी तो लोगों को मिलती हैं. तो what is our vibration? Our every thought, word, behavior is our vibration. What we create radiates. That's our vibration. That is our aura. It's our energy field. So when we look at the sculptures, the photos, the murtis, the statues of deities, prophets, they are all shown with a white circle. उनका एक white ताज दिखाते हैं, white aura दिखाते हैं, और उनका हाथ कैसे दिखाते हैं? ऐसे दिखाते हैं. Now this is सफलता. That aura white है and हाथ ऐसे है. हाथ ऐसे नहीं है, हाथ ऐसे है. ये दोनों का कनेक्शन है. जितना आपका हाथ ऐसे होगा, आपका ऑरा डाउन होता जाएगा. आपका ऑरा डाउन होता जाएगा जब ऐसे मांगने वाली साइड पे हम होंगे. जितना आपका हाथ ऐसे होगा, which means you're a giver in what is not visible, which means giver of love, giver of happiness, giver of peace. जितना आपका हाथ ऐसे होगा, giver of blessings, giver of acceptance, giver of forgiveness, giver of letting go. जितना हाथ ऐसे होगा, आपका ऑरा हाई वाइब्रेशन की तरफ जाएगा, हाई वाइब्रेशन की तरफ जाएगा. सो हम मंदिर जाते हैं, देवी देवताओं का हाथ ऐसे होता है, एंड फिर हम उनके सामने खड़े होकर बोलते हैं मैं नीच हूँ, मैं पापी हूँ, मैं कपटी हूँ, मैंने इतनी सारी गलतियां की है. फिर वो देवी देवता वहां से ऐसे करते हैं. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? That when we are living in our office and at home, people will come before us with all their sanskars. With all their sanskars. They are not going to come to you and say, मैं नीच हूँ, मैं पापी हूँ, कपटी हूँ. That we say only when we go to the temple. But when we are there in interaction with each other, our alag-alag sanskars of all those words which we go and say in the temple, no? Those words can be there in action. And when we see people with different sanskars, different behaviors, we have to be like this. Be like this, matlab, radiate love, radiate compassion to that soul, radiate acceptance, radiate forgiveness. Don't get affected. If I get affected by them, then I have become like this, which means I have taken your vibration. And if my hand is like this, I have given my vibration. If I get disturbed by somebody's behavior, I have consumed their vibration. If I remain peaceful and stable, I have given my vibration. तो हम इस पे focus करते हैं ना, I did not get good vibes from them. Why are we focusing on what vibes we got from them? Important is what vibes did I give to them? Give to them. So when we get influenced by situations and people, हम disturb हो जाते हैं, हम ऐसे हो गए. हमने उनकी इमोशनल इन्फेक्शन अब्सॉर्ब कर ली. ऑलवेज बी लाइक दिस. देने वाले, गिवर, देवी देवता, दाता, डिवाइन सोल, ऑलवेज अ गिवर. And giver means does not get influenced by people and situations, does not get disturbed, remains calm, remains stable, and only radiates peace. Radiates peace, love and compassion to everybody. And वो कैसे होगा? In every scene of life, we will have to create peace. To give money to the world, you have to work hard to earn that money. ऐसे ही तो नहीं दे सकते आप सबको. आप बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, बहुत मेहनत करके कमाते हैं, फिर वो कमाया हुआ धन से आप सेवा करते हैं, आप औरों को भी देते हैं. Similarly, शांति कमानी है. We have to earn it by responding right in every situation. So इस एक वीक के लिए कुछ छोटे से होमवर्क लेते हैं. एक, no anger for this 1 week. No anger for this 1 week. Many of you are heads of organizations. It would be a wonderful thought. Think about it. If you make your organization a no anger zone, कि हमारे ऑफिस में, हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, हमारी कंपनी में कोई किसी को गुस्सा नहीं कर सकता है. डिसिप्लिन कर सकता है, करना ही है. स्ट्रिक्ट भी हो सकते हैं, होना ही पड़ता है, लेकिन गुस्सा नहीं कर सकते. 2 बातों में बहुत फर्क होता है. Being assertive, discipline, and being angry, reactive, agitated, irritated, 2 different energies altogether. Environment का ध्यान रखने के लिए हम आजकल कहते हैं हम नो प्लास्टिक जोन है. हेल्थ का ध्यान रखने के लिए हम नो स्मोकिंग जोन है. खुशी का ध्यान रखने के लिए हमें नो एंगर जोन बनाना पड़ेगा. हमें नो एंगर जोन बनाना पड़ेगा. So let's make our workplace a no anger zone. You know why? Every person going home in the evening from your office is someone's spouse, is someone's child, is someone's parent. They are someone's parent. Purpose of our organization should be that everyone who comes to work with me goes home in the evening happier than what they came in the morning. That is success. That is success. Everyone who works in my organization should go home in the evening happier than what they came in the morning. Then they will go home in the evening and radiate that peace and happiness to their family, to their children, and they will create a strong generation, an emotionally strong generation. There's no point only discussing कि depression बढ़ गया, स्टूडेंट्स सुसाइड क्यों कर रहे हैं, ड्रग एडिक्शन इतना क्यों बढ़ गया है, सब्सटेंस अब्यूज क्यों बढ़ गया है, डिवोर्स क्यों. इस स्टैटिस्टिक्स से नथिंग विल हैपन. लेट्स डू समथिंग. दिस इज कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. Corporate social responsibility that every organization is responsible to send happy people home in the evening who are going to be happy parents. Happy parents means emotionally strong parents. इमोशनली स्टेबल पेरेंट्स जिनको सारा दिन आज ऑफिस पे सिर्फ सैलरी नहीं मिली, सिर्फ प्रमोशन नहीं मिली, सिर्फ अप्रिसिएशन नहीं मिली, रिस्पेक्ट मिली, डिग्निटी मिली, कंपैशन मिली. एंड दैट्स व्हाई दे गो होम इन द इवनिंग वेरी कंटेंटेड, बैटरी चार्ज्ड, नॉट जस्ट बैंक बैलेंस फुल, बैटरी चार्ज्ड. They have to go home in the evening battery charged if they want to charge their children emotionally. We have children intellectually strong, physically healthy, socially very, very good, emotionally need to be energized. Need to be energized. For that, we need to send home emotionally healthy, emotionally fit parents' home every evening. That's responsibility of every organization. तो उसके लिए the vibrations of the organization, no anger, very very important. जब गुस्सा ही नहीं कोई करेगा तो डर नहीं लगेगा, humiliation नहीं feel होगी, hurt नहीं होगा, belongingness create हो जाएगी. We will feel comfortable in that energy space, in that vibration. So one is we make it a no anger zone. Second, very important principle of our life, and that is no gossip. किसी की negative बोलना नहीं है और किसी का negative सुनना नहीं है. It is the easiest way to deplete your aura. हम aura cleansing कराने औरों के पास चले जाते हैं कि somebody else will cleanse my aura. वो क्लेंस करते हैं, इट्स नॉट कि वो क्लेंस नहीं करते हैं, वो क्लेंस करते हैं, बट फिर हम फिर से गंदा कर देंगे, फिर हम फिर से क्लीन कराने जाएंगे, फिर हम फिर से गंदा कर देंगे. तो हम कब तक ऐसा करेंगे? क्यों ना हम उसको साफ रखना शुरू कर दें. Aura cleansing means I have to cleanse my aura and then I keep it clean every day. Now just visualize, this is the energy field. ये गंदी कैसे हो जाती है? White है हम सबकी energy field, which means highest vibration. ये गंदी कैसे हो जाती है? हम लोगों की कमजोरियां देखते रहते हैं. ये ऐसे हैं, ये ऐसे हैं, इसने ऐसा कर दिया, उसने वैसे बोल दिया. And when we look at someone's weakness, that weakness is no more about the person. That weakness becomes my part of thinking. And so I have just captured it. One is to see that they're working like this or doing like this, give them a correction, give them an advice, give them a direction, give them an opinion. But one is कि उसका चिंतन करना, ये ऐसे हैं, ये ऐसे ही करते हैं, ये नहीं ठीक हो सकते, ये नहीं सुधर सकते. फिर सिर्फ सोचना नहीं है, फिर औरों को सुनाते भी हैं. आपको पता है वो ऐसे हैं, वो ऐसे हैं. फिर सामने वाला भी ऐसे ऐसे करता है, हाँ वो ऐसे ही है. तो हमने क्या कर दिया? हमने उनकी कमजोरी ली, उसको यहाँ रखा. We churned on their weakness. It became a part of our aura, that stain. Then we went and spoke it out to somebody else. Then it became a part of their aura. Then they spoke about that person. Then that became a part of our aura. And both of us sent those negative vibrations to the person we were talking about, and we depleted their aura. And all this happens, and we call it harmless gossip. कोई पूछता है क्या कर रहे थे आप 10 मिनट से वहां? कहते कुछ नहीं, ऐसे टाइम पास कर रहे थे. दिस इज नॉट टाइम पास, दिस इज टॉक्सिक. दिस इज टॉक्सिक. Gossip is not harmless, it is toxic. It's one of the biggest depleters because we are churning on other people's weaknesses. And since the time we have platforms where we are allowed to think, speak, write, read about anybody's and everybody's problem, weakness and negativity, tab to wo gossip went to another level altogether. It's another level altogether. Giving an opinion is fine, but there's a way to give an opinion. Give an opinion which is going to be leading something in a constructive manner, which is going to raise the vibration of the country and the world. Give that opinion because you're working on the solution. लेकिन नेगेटिव, क्रिटिकल, अब्यूजिव, ये तो नीचे लेकर आएगा. सो 2 होमवर्क कर लेते हैं, सिर्फ 2 ही काफी है, हमारे ऑरा को बहुत ऊपर ले जाएंगे. नो एंगर जोन एंड नो गॉसिप जोन. एंड तीसरा भी एक कर लेते हैं, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट दैट you'll have to little work on it in life. No comparison with other people. Comparison is a huge depleter. Comparison means I don't love myself. It's lack of self-love. I compare myself with other people and say other people are better than me or other people are lesser than me. Each one is different. 1st April, each one carried a different destiny. Each one carried a different destiny, different sanskars, different karmas. Each one is unique. Even your child is different from you. Even 2 siblings, they may be identical twins. वो सिर्फ देखने में एक जैसे हो सकते हैं. संस्कार कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट, कर्म डिफरेंट, डेस्टिनी डिफरेंट. कंपैरिजन हो ही नहीं सकता. इंस्पिरेशन हो सकता है. वी कैन लर्न फ्रॉम पीपल. वी डोंट कंपेयर आवरसेल्फ विद पीपल. एंड स्पिरिचुअली वी अंडरस्टैंड कि कंपटीशन तो कभी हो ही नहीं सकता है. देयर कैन नॉट बी अ कंपटीशन बिटवीन 2 people. Never can be. It's each one's journey. My 1st April and your 1st April is different. हमारा स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ही डिफरेंट है, तो रेस कैसे हो सकती है? रेस होने के लिए स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट तो सेम होना चाहिए ना. हमारा स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट डिफरेंट है, हमारे संस्कार डिफरेंट है, हमारे जीवन की प्रायोरिटी डिफरेंट है, हमारा जीवन जीने का तरीका डिफरेंट है, and yet we seem to be in the race. Nothing of our parameters match, and yet we are in the race with people. And because we seem to be in a race with people, we do a lot of things which are not good for our sanskar and karma. In fact, we do a lot of things which we don't want to do. हमें अच्छी भी नहीं लगती वो बातें, लेकिन हम इसलिए कर रहे हैं क्योंकि लोग कर रहे हैं. लोग जो कर रहे हैं, just to be counted as a part of everybody, just to get that acceptance. Again, it is like this. So that people accept me, so that people say I'm good, so that I get appreciation from people. I start doing things which are not part of my sanskar, which are not part of the maryada of my family, which are not part of the culture of my country, but I start doing it because everyone around me seems to be doing it. And that's why we start losing our originality, our purity, because we copy people. We copy people. We want to be counted as one of them. At least हमें check करना पड़ेगा कि वो संस्कार हमारे लिए right है, वो हमारी energy field को ऊपर उठा रहा है या वो हमारी energy field को नीचे लेके आ रहा है. Right from the way we work, the way we earn, what we wear, what we eat, what we drink, how we live, and then of course how we think, how we speak, how we behave. अगर आप ये सारी चीजें देखें, everything gets influenced by what people around us are doing. Everything. And if we are not in the race, then all these things we can do our way. हम अपने तरह से सोचेंगे, अपनी तरह से बोलेंगे. आजकल बच्चे लैंग्वेज भी वो बोलते हैं जो दूसरे बच्चे बोल रहे हैं. You tell them this is not language, ये हमारी भाषा नहीं है. This is not good Hindi, this is not good English. No, but this is cool. This is what we all talk. तो हम अपनी भाषा भी छोड़ देते हैं. And we start using low vibration vocabulary, low vibration words. Even a simple thing like हम एक दूसरे को मिलते हैं, हम हाय बोलते हैं एक दूसरे को. तो एक जना कहता है हाय, दूसरा कहता है हाय. It's a greeting. We are exchanging a greeting and a blessing. हाय हाय का मीनिंग क्या होता है? परमात्मा कहते हैं कभी भी हाय हाय नहीं करना चाहिए. हाय हाय इज अ वेरी लो वाइब्रेशन वर्ड. करना ही है तो वाह वाह करना चाहिए कि वाह मेरी जीवन. हाय हाय बोलेंगे तो जीवन हाय हाय वाली हो जाती है. एवरी वर्ड इज इम्पोर्टेंट. क्यों हम कहते हैं नमस्कार, क्यों हम कहते हैं गुड मॉर्निंग, क्यों हम कहते हैं ओम शांति? द वर्ड इज अ हाई वाइब्रेशनल वर्ड. Good morning मतलब I am creating a blessing for you that your morning should be beautiful. सामने वाला कह देता है मॉर्निंग, वो गुड ही छोड़ देते हैं उसमें से क्योंकि बिजी बहुत है, तो वो मॉर्निंग ही बोल देते हैं. तो मॉर्निंग तो ऑलरेडी है, मेरा ब्लेसिंग कहाँ गया उसके साथ का? दिस इज वेयर. लेकिन कोई सुन लेता है, कहता है अरे हाँ दिस इज स्टाइल. नाउ आई विल आल्सो रिप्लाई मॉर्निंग. अभी इसके बाद कोई गुड मॉर्निंग बोलेगा. संस्कार. लेट आवर संस्कार्स नॉट गेट टच्ड by lower vibrations. They may be right for somebody else, but I have to check whether it's right for me. So the way I earn, the way I work, what I create, what I eat, what I drink, how I live, everything is going to create that aura. And so we have to remember materialistic life based on spiritual principles. That's the balance in my life. The first energy that comes into the house is the energy of money, पैसा, जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. लेकिन सिर्फ इंपॉर्टेंट ये नहीं है कि हम कितना कमाते हैं. इंपॉर्टेंट ये है हम कैसे कमाते हैं, हम कैसे कमाते हैं. एंड कैसे मीन्स द मनी इन द हाउस शुड कम विद ब्लेसिंग्स. धन दुआओं के साथ आना चाहिए. This is very, very important for the destiny of the entire family, not only for the person who's earning. धन दुआओं के साथ आना चाहिए. Money should come with the blessings of people who work with you. The client for whom you have done a particular assignment, work or product. It has to come with their blessings. If money has not come with somebody's blessings, if money has come with someone's pain, if Someone's hurt, someone's discontentment is there in that money. That money is not right for my house. वो पैसा घर नहीं आना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो धन से घर का अन्न खरीदा जाता है. अन्न हर एक के मन पर असर करता है और मन का असर उसके तन शरीर पर जाता है. सो धन, अन्न, मन एंड तन, मनी, फूड, माइंड, बॉडी, पूरी डेस्टिनी हो गई क्रिएट. मनी, धन, उससे क्या खरीदेंगे हम? घर का खाना, अन्न, फूड. जैसा अन्न वैसा मन. तो एज द फूड सो विल बी द माइंड, एंड एज द माइंड सो द बॉडी. लाइफस्टाइल डिजीजेस. सो धन, अन्न, मन, तन. धन कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है. छोटी सी गलती क्या की हमने कुछ सालों से? और कमाना है, और कमाना है, और कमाना है. नो प्रॉब्लम, और कमाना है. कैसे कमाना है? सो कितना कमाते हैं has become the criteria of success in society. Success should be कैसे कमाते हैं, not कितना कमाते हैं. कितनी दुआओं के साथ कमाते हैं. That, and that's why we should not be in competition with anybody, because their criteria could be different. My criteria has to be different. कैसे कमाते हैं, कितना कमाते हैं नहीं, कैसे कमाते हैं. और जो दुआओं के साथ कमाएंगे ना, वो अपनी कैपेसिटी से ज्यादा पैसे कमाएंगे. सो इट्स नॉट कि उनका धन कम हो जाता है, लेकिन उनके घर में धन भी आएगा, खुशी भी आएगी, दुआएं आएंगी. ब्लेसिंग्स इम्पॉसिबल को पॉसिबल कर देती है. दुआएं मिरेकल क्रिएट करती हैं. तो दुआओं का एक अलग बैंक बैलेंस होना चाहिए. चेक करना आज सारा दिन में कितनी ब्लेसिंग्स कमाई है, कितनी दुआएं कमाई हैं. उसके लिए ये नहीं है कि हमें कोई सेवा करनी है, लेकिन हमारा हर कर्म ऐसा होना चाहिए जो ब्लेसिंग्स मिल रही है. हमारा हर कर्म ऐसा होना चाहिए, बिकॉज दिस इज द हैंड. ऐसे वाइट ऑरा लाइक दिस. दुआएं कितनी कमाई है सारा दिन. सो धन वैसे आना चाहिए. एंड दैट्स व्हाई यू कैन नॉट कंपेयर विद अदर पीपल. इवन इन योर अचीवमेंट्स, even in your financial performance, you can't compare with others, because their priority, their intention could be different from yours. So how can there be a competition? फिर अन्न कौन सा खाना चाहिए? If the अन्न is only carrying an energy of pain, तो मुझे शांति कैसे मिलेगी? Experiment with the vegetarian diet. 1st of October is vegetarian day. It's vegetarian day. आज कौन सी डेट है? 13th. 13th plus, so 17 days more of this month. So लगभग 20 days homework. One more experiment. Let's do a 20-21 days vegetarian experiment. Vegetarian. शांति वाली वाइब्रेशन का खाना खाते हैं. उस खाने को रसोई में, किचन में बड़ी शांति की स्थिति में बनाते हैं. अपने घर में प्रसाद बनाते हैं. प्रसाद मन को शांति और शक्ति देता है. तो प्रसाद कैसे बनता है? घर में बन सकता है. एवरी मील कैन बी प्रसाद. वेजिटेरियन, सात्विक खाना. Non-vegetarian, animal in a slaughterhouse. What's the emotion? What is the emotion? Can we just close our eyes and visualize what is a scene of a slaughterhouse? You want to go online and see a scene of a slaughterhouse? You wouldn't feel like eating again. So what's the emotion of a slaughterhouse? There's helplessness, there's fear, there's anxiety, there's hatred, there's anger, then there's violence, then there's death. How can all that be called health? It's proteins. So we just put an equal to sign. Okay, this is equal to protein, and protein is supposed to be healthy, so we called this as health. This is just proteins, not health. Food is vibration. Food is not just nutrients. Food is vibration. So not to look at only what we see, look at what is not visible. So प्रसाद बनाइए, रसोई में परमात्मा की याद के गीत चलाइए. जस्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट करिए इसको कि अपनी रसोई में, किचन में, हैव वेरी हाई एनर्जी वर्ड्स प्लेइंग थ्रू आउट द डे. Spiritual songs, bhajans, mantra, high energy words in the kitchen. The water will become amrit, the food will become prasad, because everything will get energized. That's how food is cooked in temples and in gurdwaras, masjid. That is prasad, because it's high energy words. And every morning, keep at least an hour for yourself. This cannot get charged just on its own like that. इसको रोज चार्ज करना पड़ता है. A simple sanskar. Don't look at your phone first thing in the morning. सुबह उठते ही ऐसे आंख खोल के अपना फोन नहीं देखना चाहिए. We don't have to connect to the world in the first thought of our morning. When we wake up, the blotting paper, the mind is like a blotting paper, absorption power highest. Us samay we don't put not even work communication, which means don't check your emails, your messages of work. Early morning, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock is not to fill this blotting paper with work. It's to energize the mind so that we can create our highest self and give it to our work at 8 o'clock. Energize your creativity, your intuitive power, and then go and create miracles at work. So as an organization head, you can make this as a culture of your organization कि हमारे ऑफिस में कोई भी शाम को 8 बजे के बाद किसी को फोन नहीं करेगा, एक दूसरे को किसी को ईमेल नहीं करेंगे, कोई मैसेज नहीं करेंगे unless it's a crisis. कल सुबह करेंगे 8 बजे के बाद. So 8 to 8 should be a cut-off time. The mind needs break from work. That's the reason why most minds are tired, they are fatigued, because they're never cutting off from work. Just before going to sleep also they are at work. First thing in the morning again they are at work. Sunday also their mind is at work. Festival also their mind is at work. So just because we have a phone doesn't mean the mind has to be at work always. Your mind ko rest chahiye. So keep an hour for yourself in the morning. No work communication, no news of what's happening in the world, no social media, nothing from the world. First hour should be to connect with the higher power, to meditate, and to keep at least 30 minutes for consuming pure content. Emotional health is created from emotional diet. Emotional diet is what we watch, read, and listen. The reason why this battery is getting depleted, too much content consumption from media and social media. And quality is a question mark. तो जो हम सुनते पढ़ते देखते जाते हैं, अंदर जाता जाता है, सुनते पढ़ते देखते जाते हैं, जो हम सुनते पढ़ते देखते हैं वो हम बनते हैं. Take care what you're going to watch, read, listen. We take care of our diet. Diet not just of what we eat and drink, diet of what we watch, read, listen. So at least 30 minutes in the morning for a pure diet, a positive diet, a diet what I want to become. This is where spirituality comes in. First hour of the morning is for energizing the self with meditation and studying of spiritual principles. तो सुबह उनको study करेंगे और सारा दिन में उसमें जिएंगे. Absorb it in the morning, live it during the day. Connect to God in the morning, use that power during the day. That's why that hour in the morning is very, very important. And सारा दिन में ध्यान रखें कितना कुछ पढ़ना है मीडिया और सोशल मीडिया से, कितना सुनना है. Once we consume all that, we will not be able to keep this mind at peace. Overthinking is because of overconsumption. So let's take care of what we watch, read, listen, what we eat, what we drink, how we earn, and most important, what is our priority in life. Priority should be my sanskar and my karam, my energy field, and being a giver. Being a giver. And जब हम वो करते हैं, we will always be contented. Contented means battery charged, santusht and safal. The one who is santusht is safal. Success and contentment, not achievement and success. Contentment and success. दो बातों में फर्क आ जाता है. Come, let's sit back for a few minutes and just reflect on how we're going to spend this week. Doing everything that we are doing, taking care of the being, taking care of the being. Come to the center of the forehead, जहाँ हम तिलक लगाते हैं, बिंदी लगाते हैं. That's the energy center. I, the being, the creator of every thought, word, and behavior. I am a peaceful being. Peace is my nature. शांति मेरा संस्कार है. I am a divine being. Purity is my personality. I need nothing from people. I radiate peace, love, and happiness in my every karma, doing what I'm doing in a peaceful manner, radiating peace, love, and happiness to every soul in my every karma. I am a giver. It's my nature. I respect myself. I love myself. Life is my journey. Living life on my own principles, my value system, my sanskars and karma, my maryadas and principles. It's my journey. Spirituality is my personality. I do everything that I do based on spiritual principles. It's my compass. Spiritual principles is the GPS of my life. Gives me the direction towards my goal, the way to reach that goal. Contentment is success. मैं संतुष्ट हूँ. मेरा जीवन सफल है. मेरा हर कर्म और संस्कार प्योर है, डिवाइन है. This is the purpose of my life. Om Shanti. Shanti. Thank you. Shanti.
Tanisha. Thank you, sister, for that scintillating, peaceful, and spiritual rendition with the knowledge on meditation techniques. As we culminate this beautiful session, may I request Mrs. Sonali Shah, Rotary Club of Bombay Bayview, to conclude by presenting the vote of thanks. Can somebody unmute Mrs. Sonali Shah?
Yeah. I'm there. It's my honor and privilege to thank Shivani ji, sister, We are so thankful that you have shared your deeper wisdom with us today. Thank you for enlightening us with all your deeper understanding towards life, towards soul, towards relationship, towards karmas. Your simplicity and your powerful words has impacted us, has taught us and empowered us with lot of learnings which we can incorporate in our life and in our day-to-day relationships and have the direction of life. And most important, to have balance of peace, happiness, and love, which we can ultimately have the balance of life. As you said, Shivani ji, sister, that we are human beings and not human doings, and it's all about energy. Thank you so much. Thank you from bottom of our hearts, from all the Rotarians and all the people who's been on this Zoom meeting. Thank you so much.
Thank you. As Sister Neha shared in the beginning, all of you are based in Mumbai, most of you. Mumbai has, I think we have over 100, 150 Raj Yoga meditation centers. So within every 4 to 5 kilometers, there's a meditation center. And like Sister Neha, there are sisters at every center who are always there for seva, to share the way of meditation and spiritual principles. So when things are better in the city and we're allowed to go to the center, we're allowed to go where there are a few people, can go and learn the meditation. Emotional fitness and spiritual power was always important, but now more than ever before, because it's not just for us. Now we have to energize everyone else, whether as a leader of a team, whether as a head of a family, we have to energize everyone. So we need to energize ourselves to energize others. तो जब सब ठीक हो जाता है 1 आधे महीने में and आप बाहर जा सकते हैं, तो do visit the center, to take out an hour for 3-4 days and learn that meditation. You will see a huge shift in just the way you're feeling. What you're doing was always perfect, but now you do it with the perfect feeling, it goes to another level altogether. Thank you so much. Om Shanti.
You can't see me. Okay, thank you.
So, sorry, my electricity had just gone off. Yeah.
So, thank you everyone for being here, and it's been a really really enriching talk by Sister Shivani. Thank you. Om Shanti.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for being part of this session and making it a lovely, wonderful session. Thank you, Sister Shivani ji, for enlightening us. Thank you very much.